Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelin bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. KSU Meghalaya Circle felicitates students of Meghalaya who cleared the Class 10 and above examinations. Meghalaya's Neotrep community commemorates great poet Ususo Thamb on his 81st death anniversary. Million People Democratic Front felicitates students who cleared the Class 10 and above examinations, and 53 students donated blood at the free blood donation program organized by St. Anthony's College, Shillong. Another news in detail. The Khasi Students' Union Meghalaya Circle today felicitated the students of Meghalaya who cleared the Class 10 up to PhD to mark the 81st death anniversary of great Khasi poet Ususo Thamb. The felicitation program was held at Shillong Polytechnic at Meghalaya, Shillong. The Meghalaya MLA P.T. Saukme was the chief guest. Speaking on the occasion, Saukme urged the students to work hard to achieve their goals.
Sacrifice is a part of success. Again, Stone Jumpy, again, Bloodwood Jumpy, again, sacrifice Jumpy, she would not belong now with that people boys at home. At home, and one, a Jumpy, Clem, Kajin, Princeton. Don't come, Jim Princeton. The one in you, Hakan Pedang sahi kena dari juga hak ban Princeton. Lalu mana layak pun lagi pihak hingga lebih juga. Sedang memiliki aktif members of KSU. Terus menjadi desa Provinsi members of KSU. Dia juga orang background of student organization. Dalam KSU dengan juga itu juga hingga lomba bangkit bamba dan berajong rim jadi selahi berapa kata dari rim kalau bos dia juga bahawes ni sedang doyan jom rim jadi rim itu pos yang desa Provinsi. Dua orang yang juga sudah 6 atau pada ini menaik juga kalau bah masuk early sudah mulai masuk doyan sudah jadi rim. Hasil soal usia dan kalau dia dan Provinsi atau pada green pakai ini voice apa mesti itu kan atau pada vision ini hak untuk vision ini hak untuk vision itu.
The Neotrep community of Meghalaya today commemorates the great Khasi poet Ususo Thamb on his 81st death anniversary. Speaking on the occasion, FKJGP General Secretary Daniel Cliff Kongsit said the community should follow the good example given by the Khasi poet who sacrificed his life for the love of his motherland and the community.
Ya kaban penisi siya buso sorong ya kata ketemai ya kata kalong dieng kabawan kadi kemensiam kabran persa mensiam bengi kumtikun samla iwe iwe kamtam kikhot ke FKJP pangindan kata kemensiam pangin it ya kari bakajai ben rio ngiri ben so sorong ya la jong kari bakajai ben rio ngiri benan kata kemensiam ladang indan kemensiam pangin syakri pangin it ya jong kari kejai ben rio ke jongi kalong KKA kapal umnan jumut pangindan hok kaseng FKJP dena takadau idang kikintin ki baong kijing start kaleng perthai niwat nitip henrei KA pak hari lejong ngimbenai em de dena takadau ya kapa kidan sa kijing tho bo ba uni mulong ra tho sapang ba kumno ba ngi kum kisun samlang di bandan kata kamensi menyale la kama kidang kijing tho ro ba kilong ba lada kaktin kabajam ban keren kam trikam kamansi hapun idi kam jadi katahi bangi mentan.
Meghalaya Minister of Arts and Culture Sanbor Shulai, relatives of the poet and different social organizations placed wreaths at the bust of Ususo Thamb in front of the State Central Library at IGP Point in Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, Shillong lauded the poet for his contribution to Khasi literature.
Very important because late Babu Sosotam is the author, and at the meantime he's the one who have architect to convert to create the Khasi alphabets in our state. So that's why today we are remembering him. And along with all the family members, the Art and Culture Department, we honored him with the flower wreaths, and now we are going to the auditorium to have a program there on his behalf, on his 81st death anniversary of Babu Sosotam. And we have also a discussion with Commissioner Sriba, Frederick Harnur, Director Booth. Also, there are lots of improvement we are planning from the department in future, like installation also. Besides, we will do some renovation. This name you have seen. So, in my opinion, I have suggested that we will replace with this granite. The alphabet is very small. We'll make it big. And the other installation of the bus of our freedom fighters, the Tirot Singh yang nampak anda padon semua. And there's also a proposal that we this maintenance of all these trees, the garden, the flowers is being done by the forest department. So we have given a suggestion that we will we may hand over this for the maintenance of these flowers, this garden and all to the horticulture department.
The President of New Trep Youth Council Central Body, Robert June Kharjarin, along with the General Secretary Roy Kopar Sindrem and members of the organisation today paid floral tribute to the great Khasi poet U Sosotam on his 81st death anniversary at State Central Library, Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, Kharjarin said that U Sosotam had made immense contributions in the field of Khasi literature.
Legit ya kani singi ban kan mau buram ban rakhi ya ki mati ki barat ba ki bau ni umelung ubabu jong kajat meru jongi ulano senyang sya kajat meru hi brokwe ubabu Sosotam nila ban ong bola dei uwei na kita ki payaba jong kajingkiu kapuli kaputhi hakajat meru New Trep ke jongi bat hakajalam khlia ke jongi Nisyo badang bakasarkar kum kadak jong gijing buram yu niu melung kilade ban penlang ya kan kasngi kum ke state education day nawa balai uniu urang ba lengba ka bor lengba ka jingtrai sitam bat ke jing start ke pemayan ke bau belai ulai hau ulala asyik kadai ya ban penrus pa ya ka thok katar ya ka puli ka dangle ha ka brio ne trap bar ka jalahi bro hoi ka phore sab bat ki wei ki poetry bat ki kot ki baula thok ka long thek kum ka tu ka ding kabakat nang puli kat tanang rehem kat nang am jeliu kata kamensi medri kadang jan syakari berkajak memberi ujung ulama ham teng eru ya kajak memberi ujongi baladangim kendit thia ladangim yang joj banyada ban penek pensai
Milam People Democratic Front, along with Milam Youth Development Organisation, today felicitated the 118 students who cleared Class 10 and above. The felicitation program was held at Lao Sotun locality, and Meghalaya C&RD Minister Hamlet Dolling gave away the awards to the students. The headman of Lao Sotun, Lursha Shillong, was the guest of honour. The officer on special duty to Chief Minister Office and others were also present on the occasion.
But I ya kisamla pulie hanga kamleishu kabatamai.
Nadu bangarung hakaki sius nem ka knai spa knai pulai. Ter nadu ka knai spa knai pusau. Ngala jupelmin yal jong ringkat bakaseng. Ban pengup boram. Iki sama jni hakaleng-kaleng. Ban itu ban penslur namta kejingla bhajaki haki exam. Kejing pas bhajaki poki exam. Ban kat hadu kidisi por mata kani kemisim jonga kampat yap henre kedenger hem. Namar ka sutu. Kumrong ilam. Kre kamram ban itu ban amisim bat ban penslur. Hak senam arja karar dalalon sakui ke program ke jonga habari bekani ke award ke bagi juai bakata kalong yaki kena ki papas hak matrik lanika SSLC ki bio top 20 kat digi kena ki bio top 20 ngajuai ke laptop nam tak jongki hadu banta drok senam arja karar bangalon ci ke program Kedan sanmut kisamla jongi napo konsi jongi kibrayo ya kani ke laptop. Kapamut tang gitu kebiyo ya ke top 20 po ke SSLC ngai ki ke laptop mar ke we. Sosi matau senam pada ki kena ji jumdan bayo ya ke top 20.
The NSS unit of St. Anthony's College, Shillong, in collaboration with Nazareth Hospital, Meghalaya AIDS and Control Society, SBTC, and the NSS Nehu Cell, has organized the free blood donation program at St. Anthony's College, Shillong. Speaking to the media, Senior Doctor of Nazareth Hospital, Dr. Hubert Dekhar, lauded the 53 students who willingly donated their blood to save the lives of others.
Today is the 14th of December 2021. And we are indeed very happy and glad where we have conducted the voluntary blood donation camp in St. Anthony's College, organized by the NSS unit of this institution, where we have collected 53 units of blood. Out of the 53, 36 were the first-time blood donors and 17 were the repeat donors. And out of these again, we have 17 females and the rest are all males. It is very encouraging to see the first timers who come forward and donate blood. And it should be an example for the others who have not done so to start and then come forward and donate blood voluntarily to save somebody's life who is really in need. Especially during this time of pandemic, we had lots of challenges, either in the healthcare settings or in the blood bank. And many of those who are COVID positive also needed blood transfusion. And it's very, very difficult for us to meet the need. So, with the number of voluntary blood donors coming forward, it is encouraging and it will be useful and helpful in order to save somebody's life. And I congratulate all the first-time donors who have made their first entrant into the field of voluntary blood donation. Thank you one and all, and may God bless you all. And you are not a zero, but you are the hero for someone else who really needs your blood. You may not know whom you have given the blood to, but they will not know you too, that you have given the blood for them. But they will say a big thank you, and they will pray for you, and they will give you their blessings. So thank you very much for the deed that we have done, and may your altruistic deed be a continuous process and help in supporting the blood centers and the blood banks in our state. Thank you one and all.
The West Jaintia Boxing Association, along with the Office of District Sports Officer West Jaintia Hills yesterday, organized the boxing fight night in Umlong Stand, Yaumusyang, Jawai. The program was graced by the Deputy Commissioner of West Jaintia Hills, Garrett L.N.S. Dykes, as the chief guest. The DSP of the district, MJ Marungar, the DSO Krobok Pasa, and other dignitaries were also present. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.